Start with a slip knot and chain 56, or else you can start off with any multiple of 8. 8 double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one. Skip the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and in the next stitch make a slip stitch. Skip the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and in the next stitch make 8 double crochets. Skip the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3, and in the next stitch make a slip stitch. This is how it will look. Now repeat this until the end. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the next stitch make 8 double crochets. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch in the last stitch. Now turn your work and start working on the opposite side. Repeat the same on the other side too. 8 double crochets into this midpoint. One slip stitch into this slip stitch. This is the circle formed. Now repeat this until the end. 8 double crochets into this midpoint. One slip stitch into this slip stitch. Now continue this until the end. 8 double crochets into this midpoint. Make the last set of stitches. And make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. This one. Now to make the loop, chain 15. And make a slip stitch into the same stitch. And weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.